Welcome to Danielle's Reviews. Well, I was out shopping. I went to McDonald's. Unfortunately, they don't have My Little Ponies in, but they had Shaun the Sheep, which I've never heard of. That must be a cartoon or a movie that's out. This is Shaun's challenge. Yeah, I'm just going to open it up. Oh dear. There we go. So this is it. This is the figure. I don't know if I'll keep this. I might put this in my double bag. No, but I had to see what it was like. So the idea is you're supposed to bring that up and try to catch in the cup. I got it. Oh, ooh, almost. Oh, yay! I got it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and bye-bye.